them. This chamber works well with a 5-inch bore piston. Sonny has designed the head to accommodate a one-piece rocker arm bar for rigidity and quick head removal. It has an integral base for an intake manifold with a sunken valley for quick inside nitrous tuning. Sonny's offers a special program for ultra lightning. Our friendly sales staff and website will make your request more efficient and detailed. Sonny's Racing Engines is your one-stop shop for all of your engine needs.
A special guest on stage here at the PRI show, Sonny Leonard, who is Mr. Mountain Motor. Believe me, especially if you want a Chevrolet, you got to run a Sonny's. Now, when Mountain Motors started, you know, we thought 600 inches was really big, and they called them Mountain Motors. And then they went to 650, and then Sonny cracked it up over 700. Now he's got the latest breakthrough. This is incredible. Are you ready? What's the biggest motor that you're going to offer now?
For Pro Modified, we'll offer 900 cubic inches, and natural aspirated, we can go up to 940 cubic inches.
Now you can make a 940 cubic inch big block motor.
Yes, we can.
That's incredible. That's a billet block.
That's a billet block. One good thing about a billet block, you start with a clean piece of paper, and you can design and make most anything you want. And so we designed a cylinder head to accommodate 300 bore spacing to run a larger bore. And
that thing must have some huge valves.
Valve size, 2725 on the intake, flows around 660 CFM of air.
Oh my gosh.
Exhaust, a 2100 exhaust, around 480 CFM of air at 28 inches of water.
So we could see some 900 cubic inch nitrous injected Pro Mods where at ADRL?
ADRL, NHRA, and IHRA. I think IHRA has a limit on it around 820. Maybe later they'll go to 900, but...
yeah, come on, wake up, IHRA. That's too little.
Yeah, especially to run with the supercharged cars. But
well, that's right. They mix them in. Where ADRL, they run their own class.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. It was a big demand for a larger cubic inch engine. The reason we went with a 5300 is to run a larger bore. And to run a larger bore will let us accommodate a larger valve, which flows more air, which makes more power.
Now here's the neatest part. This 900 cubic inch engine, kind of modeled after the Chevrolet, because they know it was Mr. Chevrolet. You've come up with a semi-hemispherical head, right?
Yes, I did. We came up with this around 4 years ago. The Ford and Chrysler had a hemispherical head, and when the weather is bad in the summertime, they would outrun my wedge-headed engines 3 miles an hour. So I had no choice but to design a hemispherical cylinder head. And so that's what we had, a 5-inch bore spacing, and this year we came out with a 5300, which lets us run a 300,000 larger bore.
900 cubic inches, imagine that. We'll be back with more. Right now we'll take a break from the PRI show in Orlando. Stay tuned.
Top end is Pepper, 1097, 69 Camaro. doing your motor work? I bet a lot of people are going to start asking you that question.
Well, actually, Sonny Leonard does their motors, and there's getting to be a few more. Mark and Pete both got them, and we've had really good luck with them.
Well, congratulations. Anybody you'd like to thank tonight?
Yeah, I got to thank the Chapel Hill Lions Club and Sonny the engine builder. And
great hook for that Chevrolet. Very, very strong. Whoa! One more time. How about a Chevrolet?